Hi there. Once again, you don't have to look at my ugly mug for this video since I'm going to be concentrating on my hands, and this is, everybody knows what this is, a Rubik's Cube. I just wanted to show you another little skill that I have that I picked up about 33 years ago or so when it first came out. And I carried it around in my pocket for about a year and fiddled with it and finally figured out how to do it. So I'm just going to mix this up just at random. I'm not doing this. I'm not memorizing what I'm doing or anything like that. If I were to truly be doing this independently, I would have an assistant, but I can't afford one, and I don't really want to do this elaborately. So as you can see, it's pretty much muddled up, okay? So my prediction is that I can do this in 2 minutes or less. Now I know for the geeky guys who do this, you know, in 19 seconds or whatever, using year 3000 technology or whatever they have, a chip in their brain or whatever, I'm just going to use brute force and do it quite quickly, as you'll see me spinning it, but not at anywhere near with those guys with the Vaseline and the cubes and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's go for it. So we're at 1:45. Let's go. Well, that was about 1 minute and 49 seconds. Not too bad, even though I made a couple of mistakes. So, just another little skill I have. See, I even dropped this like drumsticks. I keep it on my desk. Once a month I solve it just so I'll never forget. So that's another thing you know about me now. Bye-bye.